Welcome to Gavins Home Kitchen. Today I'm making a minestrone soup. This is one of my childhood favourites. My mum used to make it all the time, so I'm looking forward to going through this step by step with you today. So let's get cooking. To start, you'll need a 5 to 6 litre saucepan or Dutch oven. Place it over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add a generous tablespoon of minced garlic. Next we're going to add our flavour base. So add 1 large diced onion, 2 diced carrots and 2 stalks of celery to our pot. You can dice the vegetables as finely or as chunky as you like. And then give everything a stir. We want to cook these for 8 to 10 minutes, just giving them a stir occasionally, just until the vegetables have softened. If you find the vegetables beginning to stick, just add a small splash of vegetable stock and continue stirring. Once we've given this its 8 to 10, we're ready for the next vegetables. Next we add 1 diced zucchini, 1 diced potato and 150 grams of chopped green beans. Give everything a good stir to combine, and we want to continue cooking for about another 3 to 4 minutes. Mine was starting to get a little dry here, so I'm adding another splash of vegetable stock. This will stop the vegetables from sticking without adding any extra oil. And after another 3 to 4 minutes, we're ready to start adding our seasonings. Now we'll add our seasonings. 1 teaspoon each of dried oregano and basil, followed by a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Give everything a good stir so those herbs and seasonings are evenly distributed through the vegetables. Next, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and stir that through. Let the tomato paste cook with the vegetables for about 30 seconds before we add our liquids. Now add 1 400 gram tin of chopped tomatoes, followed by 1.5 litres of vegetable stock, add a bay leaf and give everything a good stir to combine. Bring the soup up to the boil, then reduce the heat and let it gently simmer for 20 minutes. This gives the vegetables time to soften and all those flavours time to come together. After 20 minutes, remove the bay leaf. Now add 1 400 gram tin of drained cannellini beans and 100 grams of small pasta. I'm using tortellini, but macaroni or small shells will work just as well. Give everything a good stir, then continue simmering for another 10 to 12 minutes or until the pasta is tender. For our final ingredient, add 60 grams of baby spinach and stir it through the soup. Let that cook for another 2 minutes, just until the spinach has wilted. Give everything one final stir and our minestrone is ready to serve. Have a look at that, plenty of vegetables, beans and pasta in every spoonful. Ladle the minestrone into a bowl. Finish with a little drizzle of olive oil and some freshly grated Parmesan. If you're keeping this completely vegetarian, just make sure you use a vegetarian friendly Parmesan style cheese. And that's our homemade minestrone soup. Simple, hearty and packed with flavour. Now all the hard work's out of the way, we've got our beautiful soup. Time to give it a taste. It smells delicious. I recommend you giving this one a try at home. It's absolutely beautiful soup. Until next time, thanks for watching Gavins Home Kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you at the next recipe. Bye for now.